Hello and welcome back to Duncanville ISD's Tech Talk, brought to you by your Instructional Technology team. We're glad you're here. Let's get started. This semester, teachers and district staff who attended Tech Tuesday trainings were entered to win an interactive panel. Whoop, here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. Please be sure to congratulate our 2 winners. Thanks again for participating in sessions to sharpen those tech skills.
Do you feel like you're constantly using the same tools to assess learning in the classroom? Let's change the game with Blooket. Blooket is an exciting new take on the modern classroom review game. It aims to match action with education to create the ultimate learning experience. Create your own question sets or copy from a pre-existing one. The free version can host up to 60 players, but that should be plenty to offer your students as a quick change of pace. Check out Blooket at www.blooket.com for some pre-made activities to try in class.
So that's it for this episode, but one last thing before we go. This is the first episode that we've had this year, as a matter of fact, the last 2 years, without the wonderful Dr. LaShonda Reed. She has gone on to be an administrator in another district, and we so appreciate her time both as a coach here at Duncanville High School and as an instructional technology coordinator here in Duncanville ISD. So from all of the campuses and all the people who she supported over the year, we thank you for your service, and we wish you well in your next adventure. So thank you for watching Tech Talk, where we talk tech.